Hi, first graders. I hope you had a great first day of school. Today is Red Day, so I will be reading Clifford. Clifford the Big Red Dog. So let's get reading. Clifford the Big Red Dog. I'm Emily Elizabeth, and I have a dog. And some are red dogs, but I have the biggest, reddest dog on our street. This is my dog, Clifford. We have fun together. We play games. I throw a stick and he brings it back to me. He makes mistakes sometimes. Oh my goodness, what mistake did he just make? Is that the stick she threw? Oof. We play hide and seek. I'm a good hide and seek player. I can find Clifford no matter where he hides. Why can she find him no matter where he hides? It's a little too hard for him to hide, huh? He's too big. We play camping out, and I don't need a tent. He can do tricks too. He can sit up and beg. Why does she not need a tent? Oh my goodness, she's using Clifford as a tent. Oh, I know, he's not perfect. He has some bad habits. He runs after cars. He catches some of them. Oh no. He runs after cats too. We don't go to the zoo anymore. He digs up flowers. Clifford loves to chew shoes. It's not easy to keep Clifford. He eats and drinks a lot. His house was a problem too, but he's a very good watchdog. Why was his house a problem? Do you guys see that? His house is bigger than their house. Oh my goodness, this is a big dog. And the mean boys don't come around anymore. One day, I gave Clifford a bath. What is she using to give Clifford a bath? Do you guys see that? She's using a swimming pool. Oh my goodness. And I combed his hair and took him to the dog show. I'd like to say Clifford won first prize, but he didn't. He got second place. See, number 2. I don't care. You can keep all your small dogs. You can keep all your black, white, brown, and spotted dogs. Do any of these dogs look like dogs you guys have at home? My parents have a dog that kind of looks like this, but it's black. I'll keep Clifford. Wouldn't you? The end. So that was Clifford the Big Red Dog. I hoped you liked that. Wait for our next story tomorrow. Okay, guys. I will see you then. Bye.